Sopa de Medula, a delicious Mexican soup recipe. This recipe serves 4 to 6 servings. Preparation takes about 20 minutes. And cooking takes around 45 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 500 grams beef spinal marrow, 2 liters water, a half piece white onion, 2 cloves garlic, 1 tablespoon salt, 4 large Roma tomatoes, 2 pieces guajillo chilies, a quarter piece white onion, 1 clove garlic, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. Step 1. Thoroughly rinse the beef marrow under cold running water to remove any excess blood or impurities. Place it in a large pot with 2 liters of water, a half onion, 2 smashed garlic cloves, and salt. Step 2. Bring the pot to a boil, then reduce heat to medium-low. Simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes, skimming off any grey foam that rises to the surface with a spoon to ensure a clear broth. Step 3. While the marrow is simmering, prepare the tomato base. Boil the tomatoes and toasted guajillo chilies in a small amount of water for 8 minutes until soft. Step 4. Transfer the boiled tomatoes, chilies, a quarter onion, and 1 garlic clove to a blender. Blend until completely smooth. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve to remove skins and seeds. Step 5. In a separate medium skillet, heat 1 tablespoon of oil. Carefully pour in the blended tomato sauce, it should sizzle. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes over medium heat until the color darkens to a deep red. Step 6. Check the marrow, it should be tender but not disintegrating. Remove the boiled onion and garlic cloves from the marrow pot and discard them. Step 7. Add the fried tomato sauce into the pot with the marrow and broth. Stir gently to combine. Step 8. Add the diced carrots to the pot and cook for 5 minutes. Step 9. Add the diced zucchini and the sprig of epazote. The epazote provides the signature, earthy flavor that defines this soup. Step 10. Simmer everything together for another 10 minutes until the vegetables are tender but still hold their shape. Step 11. Taste the broth and adjust the seasoning with more salt if necessary. The marrow will have released its fat, creating a rich, golden sheen on the surface. Step 12. Remove the epazote sprig before serving. Lay the soup into deep bowls, ensuring everyone gets several pieces of the buttery marrow. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.